I'm Mishika, and today we are going to sort numbers in Python, means arranging the numbers in ascending order. So let's start. Okay, so now let's see how the program will work and then we will make the program. Okay, for example, if I have a list of having numbers of 4, 3, 1 and 2. Okay, now the result will be 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? But okay, now how it will arrange this in ascending order? Let's see. What will it do? It will compare first and second number, means compare 4 and 3. Then what will it compare? It will compare that is 3 smaller than 4. Yeah, it is. So it will swap their places. After swapping, the 3 will come in 4 place and 4 will go in 3 place. Then 1 and 2 will be in their own places. Okay. Then it will compare 3 and the third number, 3 and 1. Then it will compare is 1 smaller than 3. Yes, so it will compare means it will swap the places. So 1 will come in 3 place and 3 will go in 1 place and 2. Okay. Now what will it do? It will compare. We have got the first digit in ascending order. Now 4, it will compare 4 and 3. It will see, is 3 smaller than 4? Is 3 smaller than 4? Yes, it is. So it will swap their places. So 1 will be in its own place, 3, 4 and 2. Okay. Now it will compare. Is 2 smaller than 3? Yes, it is. So it will again change their places. So 1, 2, 4 and 3. Okay. Then it will compare. Is 3 smaller than 4? Yes, 3 is smaller than 4. So it will change their places. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we got the ascending order. Now let's see how to make this program in Python. So open your Python. Now open a file. For opening a file, click on File menu and click on New File. Okay. Now let's start to make our program. First we have to write a variable name. Here I am taking a equals to a list. Okay, so I'm writing a list. I'm writing 5, age, 9, 2 and 6. Okay, here are my numbers in this list. Now I will take one more variable as I and put it empty. Okay, I equals to 0. Okay, now I will use a loop. So while, then I will write is I smaller than the length of a. What is meaning of length of a? Why we are writing this? It will say that how many numbers are there in the list of a variable. Okay, there are 5, but here the numbers start with 0, so it should be 4, but in length a it says 5. So if we do -1, so it will say us 4. Okay, then we will put colon and then write j equals to j plus 1. Okay, means in the j equals to I plus 1, means in j will equals to I plus 1. Now we will write one more loop. While j is smaller than the length of, okay, here it should be not smaller, it should be smaller or equals to. Okay, or the ascending order will be wrong. Smaller or equals to the length of A minus 1 colon. Then we have to write if statement. Okay, what we will write? We will write if A, the I in A and is more greater than the J in A, so colon, so swap their values. Okay, places. So what will it do? It will take one variable, an extra variable like C. Okay, and then we will put AI value in C. Okay, then we will in AI we will put AJ value. Okay, then in AJ as we put the C in C, as we put the AI value in C, so C will be 5 and AJ will be 8. Okay, so now see here the C equals to 5, AI equals to 8 as AJ value goes in AI. Here in AJ we will put C as, okay, so AJ will be 5. Okay, here like this the both values changes, places changes. Okay, then we will write J equals to J plus 1. Why? After loop we write J equals to J plus 1, and in this loop, in the first loop we will write I equals to I plus 1. Okay, then after the loop means outside of the loop we will write print A, means print the list after in ascending order. Now let's save it. For saving it, click on file menu and click on save. Open your folder in which you want to save this and write a name for your folder. Like I'm writing arrange numbers in ascending order and I'm giving this in ascending. Okay, now let's click on save. Okay, now click on run menu and click on run module to run it, or you can also press the F key on your keyboard. See, so here it gives us the ascending order. Thank you friends for watching my video, and if you like, please like, share and subscribe my videos too. Okay, we will meet next time. Bye for now and thank you. Bye.